on pillar. Level.
I know something.
How you know, Papa?
You want to know what I know?
How you know, Papa?
If you want to know what I know, you got to answer me.
Yes, sir. I want to know what you know.
You want to know what I know? If you want to know what I know, you got to answer me. You want to know what I know? You want to know what I know? What I know? I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. She's pretty like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would say I don't know what I know. Come on!